everybody, welcome back. And today is a Thanksgiving special. Today I'm going to make for you my mother's fantastic cranberry apple chestnut stuffing for Thanksgiving. And also, today I'm making this video in conjunction with the community impact team of the town I live in North Reading, Massachusetts. This week is Self-Care Week, and I'm making this video for the town of North Reading and their residents, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And also, the community impact team is running a book raffle this year. And all you have to do for the residents of North Reading is comment on this post from the community impact team about what your favorite thing to cook for Self-Care Week is, and you'll be automatically enrolled in that book raffle. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get everything ready, and when we come back, I'm going to give you all the ingredients to make a fantastic cranberry apple chestnut stuffing for your Thanksgiving. Okay everyone, I'm back. And these are all the ingredients you need to make that fabulous stuffing. The first thing we have is we have 2 sticks, 1 cup room temperature butter. That's 3 ribs of celery, medium chopped. That's 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped. 1 large apple, peeled and diced. This is 5 ounces of cooked chestnuts. Now, we buy them in the bag because, I love fresh chestnuts roasted in the oven, but when they come out and they dry, they crumble. The ones that you buy in the package, they're still nice and soft. They're able to be, chopped up nice. Nice. Love those. Half a cup of dried cranberries, and then you need 2 cups of chicken broth. You can use it out of the can, you can use those bouillon cubes. We like to use the Better Than Bouillon, the paste. So this is 2 teaspoons of Better Than Bouillon paste and 2 cups of water. That's going to give us our 2 cups of chicken broth. My mother, very partial to the Pepperidge Farm stuffing. Whenever I say, my mother goes, no, Pepperidge Farm. So, 1 12-ounce bag of herb-seasoned classic stuffing from Pepperidge Farm. These are all the ingredients you need, and they will be listed in the description box if you need to go back, so there's no need to run and get that pen and paper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get everything over to the stove that I need to start, and when we come back, we're going to be making our fantastic Thanksgiving stuffing. Alright everyone, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put these 2 sticks of butter in our pan, and I'm going to get them melted. Okay everyone, now that our butter is melted, I'm going to add in the onion, and the celery, and the apple. We're going to cook this down probably about 10 minutes or so till they get nice and tender. Alright? Beautiful. Okay. Now you can see with that 2 sticks of butter, this is definitely not a diet stuffing. But then again, Thanksgiving is not the time to be on a diet. So, we're going to get this nice and soft, and when we come back, we'll be adding our chicken stock. Alright everyone, so this has been rolling a good 10-12 minutes. I want to make sure that that celery is nice and soft. It's usually the celery. The apple and the onion, they're soft quicker. The celery takes an extra few minutes. So now, I'm going to put in that half a cup of dried cranberries and these chestnuts, and I'm going to give this just 2 minutes, okay? So, we'll let this roll 2 minutes, and then we'll be back, and we'll get the rest of this rolling. Oh, it's looking good already, guys. Thanksgiving is one of my favorite times of the year. Okay, 2 minutes with the cranberries and the chestnuts. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 2 tablespoons of the Better Than Bouillon chicken stock. I'm going to get it in the water, and I'm going to stir this up. We can make our chicken broth. Alright, and we'll see if we can get the rest of that in there on the spoon, right? There we go. Okay, and in this is going to go, nice. Oh yeah, make sure you get none of that at the bottom. Alright, and now in goes our Pepperidge Farm stuffing mix. Beautiful. Okay, and at this point, once we get this well incorporated, what we're going to do is, I'm going to get this in that pan right there, and this is going to go in the oven at 350 for, I don't know, depends on how crispy and crunchy you like your top. You know, if you want the top to be nice and crunchy, I would say give it 25 minutes to a half hour. If you don't want too much crunch, 15-20 minutes, right? But make sure that this is well incorporated, because you certainly don't want any dry patches in there, right? Certainly don't want dry stuffing. Who likes dry stuffing, right? You want your stuffing to be nice and moist. But of course, with the 2 sticks of butter, you're going to be hard pressed to have dry stuffing. All right, so as you can see, we're nice and incorporated. You got no more liquid at the bottom. All right, oh yeah, see? Yeah, just like that, beautiful. So, shut this off. Get our pan. And it's gonna go. Beautiful. Oh, my favorite part of Thanksgiving right here. Okay, and in the oven it's gonna go for about 20 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, everybody, here we are. Our cranberry, apple, chestnut stuffing for Thanksgiving. I'd like to thank the Community Impact Team of North Reading. I'd like to wish all the residents of North Reading a very happy Thanksgiving, and also to everybody out there. I hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Remember, Town of North Reading, if you comment on the post from the Community Impact Team, you'll be automatically enrolled in that book giveaway. And I want to thank Laura from the Community Impact Team for giving me this opportunity again this year. So, let's see what we have. Because I'll tell you what, I could eat this whole bowl. It's probably about 5,000 carbs, but it's Thanksgiving. So delicious and moist, but when you put it in the oven, the top gets that little crust on top. So you get those nice moist pieces, and then like right there, you get that little bit of crunchy at the top from the oven. All I need is the bird, the mashed potatoes, and some gravy, and I'm good. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. I hope you try this for your Thanksgiving dinner. I'd like to wish all of you a very happy Thanksgiving out there. If you like this, please give it that thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And even in Thanksgiving, don't forget to live, laugh, cook